Here we have the Matrice 4E. Let's open it. Put in the battery. Hello guys, today we are in Sofia to film a cell tower. We have to scan it and do a small inspection with the drone. Here we have the drone and the equipment. You can maybe see that the clouds are quite dark, but let's hope the rain doesn't come right now. Let's get the drone airborne. Here it is. So why is a drone like the Matrice 4E so important for cell tower inspections? Well, first of all, it saves a lot of time. It can be very expensive to hire a technician coming to every tower and climbing up the ladder, and this could take like several days, while a drone like the Matrice 4E can capture the data in like maybe 1-2 hours and then process it after that. Secondly, it is simply more safe. It's more safe to put up a drone flying and doing all the work instead of a man climbing up there. There's a risk of like the technician hurting himself, falling down even in the worst scenarios. So yeah, time and safety are two key points when it comes to cell tower inspections with drones. And in the third place, we have detail. When you look at the final result, the 3D model, you'll be able to see defects and problems in much better quality, while if a human goes up and looks for misalignments or problems, you'll miss some defects in some areas because yeah, it's human to fail. And another advantage is simply scalability, because a drone pilot like me can go around and map several towers in a day, when one tower takes a couple of hours, while a technician coming up, physically climbing up the tower, this will maybe take several days, several weeks, or several months. So it's much faster and much more efficient.